Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We're back again with Tellor, your daily update. A little bit more bearish over the course of the last, what is it? Last 12 hours or so? Last 10 hours, I think. 8 hours, doesn't matter. But yeah, we're doing another update, of course, on TRB. It's a bit of your daily update. Some alerts are going off, which I might need to attend to after this video. But for now, we're focused on Tellor. All right. So obviously, it's still majorly manipulated. We'll talk a bit about in this video what to expect from here. Is this really the end of TRB? Will we see some sort of a major crash? Or can it still break above its main resistance right now between $40 and $42 and rally up to $52? All right, we'll talk about all of that. I'll give you my thoughts. We'll take a look at some numbers to support that. And just in general, hopefully in the end, you're optimally prepared. Now, I do want to mention, like I've always mentioned or at least most of the time in these videos, is that if you are not an experienced trader, I would stay away from TRB. Because if you short right now, you'll pay some heavy funding fees, as you can see, minus 0.5%. And if you go long, then there's a big chance that it will crash. All right, so there it's difficult to win. It's better to wait for confirmation. So that's what we'll talk about. Apart from that, I also have my own premium group in which I will tell you when I short TRB or if I have already shorted TRB. I don't know. So if you want to know more about that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, on to TRB. So what we're seeing in terms of technicals, the way I kind of see TRB right now is quite, like in my eyes, we're just stuck in a huge area right here between $42 and $30. All right, 42/40 is a major resistance level, and then $30 and the areas around that is a major support level. All right, so there's at this point of time, there's no clear direction, because you could say that this is just a retest and that now we'll continue the bearish momentum. You could also say that this was a retracement and that now we're continuing the bullish momentum. There is no clear direction for TRB right now. And the EMAs are also saying that. Like the EMAs are kind of starting to get in the middle of the price. Obviously, they're still below the price because of the big uptrend over the last weeks. But they're not 100% sure either. So it's just we'll have to wait for some confirmation. And in general, it's waiting for either $42 to break, in which case TRB would be bullish and would get up to $50 and higher, or $30 to break, in which case we'll get a bearish break retest and we'll drop down to $22 and then eventually down to 17 and 16. So it's waiting for that. Now, obviously, we'll try to do some sort of a prediction on what's most likely. And for that, we'll actually take a look at some numbers that have been a good indication in the past. And what we're seeing now is that the open interest and the volume are dropping again. All right, so they were actually quite bullish from Tuesday to Wednesday morning. So that was also when this bullish momentum was. And now they're dropping again. Now, usually when they start dropping, bearish momentum comes. That also was Saturday, for example, and then what happened is we actually started crashing. So now, if we may believe that, and we can see that the downtrend has been accelerated, especially since the night. If we may believe that, then the most likely scenario is that TRB will drop down to $30, find some support, but eventually break down below that and drop down towards, like I said, $22. So I would say that's the most likely scenario, given all of these statistics we have right now. But technically, both scenarios are very much possible. All right, so I would definitely wait for more. Excuse me, I hope I'm going to cut that out, but I might forget. But yeah, I'd wait for more bearish confirmation. I mean, shorting from now, like I said, the funding fees are still not crazy, but still high. So that's not amazing. And a lot could happen. There's still quite a lot of support right here between $32 and $30. So that's my full take. That's my my thoughts right now on TRB. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.